Window locks jamming because of rust buildup can seriously mess with your day, but fixing it is way easier than you think. So, first off, grab some white vinegar or a rust remover and soak a cloth in it to rub down the rusty spots on your window locks. Let it sit for a bit so it breaks down the rust good. Then, use an old toothbrush or a small wire brush to scrub off all that nasty rust. Don't skip this step because it makes a huge difference. After that, wipe everything clean with a damp cloth to get rid of any leftover grime or rust flakes. Next up, dry the lock completely so no moisture sticks around to cause more rust later. Now, hit that lock with some lubricant like silicone spray or graphite powder. These keep it smooth without attracting dirt. Make sure to work the lock back and forth a few times to spread the lubricant inside all the moving parts. Finally, repeat this cleaning and lubricating routine every few months to keep your window locks clicking perfectly and avoid future jams. One of the biggest problems people run into with window locks jamming from rust is ignoring regular maintenance, which lets rust build up and makes the locks really hard to use. Fix this by setting a regular schedule to clean and lube your locks. Another common issue is using the wrong lubricant, like oil-based stuff that actually attracts dust and grime, so switch to silicone spray or graphite powder for better results. A third mistake is rushing the cleaning process and not fully removing all the rust before lubricating, which just makes the problem worse over time. Take your time scrubbing and make sure it's all gone before applying lubricant. BigHomeProjects.com is a super handy site that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to hire. At the same time, it gives contractors a chance to connect with people looking for work, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.